So Steven, at Hackingtons, we use MacBook Pros, and they're great for coding. But some of the students at home, they're really into gaming. They need a really powerful computer that has a really powered graphics card. And these MacBook Pros, they kind of get warm when you start running the intense graphics that you need, especially for YouTube and gaming, like streaming. So what do you think? What should we do?
So I think we could probably do something special over the summer. So the summertime has always been a special place for Hackingtons because you guys have so much energy out there because you're not in school, and we're going to capture some of that energy. We're going to show you how to build a custom gaming PC. So this gaming PC is going to blow anything like the MacBook Pro out of the water. It's not going to get hot. You're going to be able to stream. You're going to be able to capture. You're going to be able to build the YouTube channel of your dreams with this machine.
And it's going to cost like $15,000, right?
No, so actually we got all the budget parts, so it's going to be under $600 for the full kit and caboodle, which is actually pretty impressive when you look at something like Ninja's PC, which is $15,000.
And you're going to show us how to build using all of these pieces?
Yeah, so all of these pieces fit together. We use an awesome site called PC Part Picker to make sure everything works together, and each one of these has been custom picked to be an awesome gaming rig.
But what if the students don't have the money? Are we going to show them these parts at the Hackingtons classes this year? How is that going to work?
Yeah, so we will have pieces in the different locations that you can touch and feel and put together and play with so you understand how a gaming PC goes together without having to spend the $600 it takes to buy these parts.
So basically this summer is going to be awesome at Hackingtons.
Pretty much.
All right.